Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who is watching your TikTok feeds. Now, let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps. And after this, in here, you can open your profile at the bottom. And after this, in here, you can click on the last video that you edit in here, and in here you can click on this button, this one, add a view for you can see who is watching your video TikTok feeds. Click on it, and then in here you can see this is the people watching your video TikTok feeds. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.